Hello, how are you? Good. Hello, you sweet angel thing. Oh, you're so sweet. Callie, who's that? Can I get a bottle of Don Julio Reposado? You tell him what I said.
Don Julio, please.
Don Julio Reposado, please. Thank you. No. Hey.
Yeah, quick, bring them to mom.
Bring it here. Good girl. That's a good girl. No.
Raggy! Stop! That is so exciting, Boo-Boo.
Are you the manager here? I'm gonna need 500 gallons of E85, 4 turbos, built motor. You got all that in stock? No? Fuck.
Where's your toy? No, the other one.
Did you?
Come on, door! Now! Right fucking now!
그죠? Big smile, Holly. Oh, good girl.
You have to go to bed. You have to get off the couch.
What's all that stuff? It's a bit boring. It's not finished. It's not boring.
Está bien cura.
Bowden, stop.
You should pack your bags and go home.
All right, Midnight, go ahead. Give me a kiss. One more kiss.
What the fuck? Doe flip!
Net pasta gemaakt. Alleen nog even de restjes opruimen. There it is. What's up?
You okay? You good? What's wrong?
Gary. Come on.
Why isn't it going?
I don't know, babe. What a bad day. Oh my god! Oh my.
There's normal dogs. And then there's Bella. Harley. What are you doing? Why are you laying like that, you weirdo? Turning.
Te encuentras no hay otro nombre dado a los hombres, solamente insisto.
What are you guys doing? That is a litter box. Are you kidding me? Why are you guys all packed in there?
What cats do when you're not home.
Alright, can I interest you in a perfectly normal glob of peanut butter with nothing else in it? Just peanut butter only? Oh, delicious!
Who's this? Two. No. Don't you like it?
Stay.
See, he can see.
Girl.
Yes, he can too.
Oreo, anything else?
That'd be it.
Alright, that is $7.40 at the window.
Thank you.
Come here.
happy.
When you try to get a cute video with your dog.
Get off my Diet Coke! Stop it!
So
I got this big box from Amazon. Cat's over here. Let's see how long before it takes them to make this his new house.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
What did you do while I was gone today?
Committed atrocities beyond your...
Go figure. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, would you look?
Yeah, it's sour. Do you want to try it again? Just a little bit? What do you think? Oh, it's sour. Oh.
It's just a microphone, Holly. I'm over here. Holly. Holly, I'm over here. Holly. Holly, I'm over here. Hey, Holly.
Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour! Extreme! Parkour! Parkour!
This is parkour. Internet sense.
Oh my god, I forgot about the wipers. Coop. What's that? Oh, honey, it's okay.
Hey, Rufus. Good boy. Hey!
What happened to him?
It died.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Cats are superior to dogs because cats would never work for the police.
Come on. Oh.
Ma'am.
You're adopted. It's true. I adopted you. I'm sorry that the truth has to be revealed this way.
Mi tía, pondré esta puertica para que el perro no se salga. El perro.
Órale, cocazo. Oye, pues es que tú te llevas, no te aguantas. Muchas carrillas.
Dab me up. Dab me up. Oh!
She saw him on the news.
Was born next to a nuclear power plant, has an IQ of 2, and got hit in the head with several rocks as a child.
Watching a show about bald eagles right now.
You can make biscuits. No, don't play with that string, Marvel John. Make your biscuits.
Brother,
Willie?
So if she puts her hands against the wall, she's got a high IQ. If she's she did it. Go.
Turkey slice. Frankie! Here you go. Here you go, Mama. Bye, Mama.
Oh! You have to stop.
There she goes. Punk. She's dead.
Okay, yes, I see
What are you doing, bud? Look at him, Zoe.
Oh my god.
Peter, there's something off about that horse.
You have an eye for animals, Lois. This horse is brain damaged. That's why I got it so cheap.
Hey, Mom, I'm telling you right now, you better pack your bags, you're out of here, okay? You hear me?
He's like 49, it's time for him to move out.
What did I do to you?
He's a bitch.
So it's completely different. The way you make.
You want to go outside so bad? Let's go. Yes. Oh. Oh. Oh, yeah. Go. Why would you? Today. Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
Hi, I have an appointment today.
He's new, sorry.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
Do you want to go outside? Yeah?
Ai! Ai, que susto! Você quase que me mata de susto!
What?
Remy, it's just a reindeer. It's just a reindeer. Come on.
You can feel like in the bedroom.
You got who with you?
My boy family.
Brother, what's that?
Was it?
Sorry.
What are you doing? What are you doing? You okay?
I love you. I love you. I love you so much.
Are you good?
Jack! Jack? What is that? Jack? Ven para acá, Jack. Don't ignore me. Don't turn your back on me. Jack? Jack? Come here. Come here. We're trying.
He's trying to find a low enough spot.
Come on, man.
Rock and roll.
I've never seen his eyes when he does it too.
It's a really cold one today, though.
Hey, Wick. Wick. Do you know who ate my cupcake? Never mind. I found him.
The boy who lived has come to die.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
S'mores. Banana split. Pumpkin pie. Red velvet cake. Carrot cake. Cobbler? Peach.
Let's go.
One thing about Sprout is in his crate, he has a very comfy bed he loves. And if you look carefully, you will find, stop, his emotional support Oreo wrapper. He will not give it up.
He meowed. You want to meow again? Meow.
Okay, that didn't work.
Did you do?
Well, Gracie, were you bad at the paper towels? Gracie!
Fancy. What in the devil's hell are you doing? Are you stuck? Are you stuck? Oh my gosh. You're an idiot.
Got in my room earlier and I yelled at her, and now look at them. They're like guarding her and staring me down. What the
I can't. I went for a ride for 5 minutes, Bubba, and Here you go.
Yes.
You gonna stand? Show me. There she is.
마지막까지 감정 잡고.
Si te sabes portar bien, nada más pórtate bien.
No puedo.